Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix PNP underscore detected underscore fatal underscore error, then let's look at the following fixes. Now the first solution or fix would be is to update the drivers. So to do that, we right click on start button, click on settings, we look down towards window update, click on that, click on advanced options, and we click on optional updates. If there are any optional updates here, then you click on update and install, and that should solve the problem. If it doesn't, then we have to disable third-party antivirus apps. So to do that, we have to right click on the start button, click on settings, click on apps, click on installed apps, and we have to look for any third-party antivirus app that we might have. I don't have one on my system. I use the built-in Microsoft antivirus. So let me just show you. If you want to uninstall, just if you see a third party, next to it there'll be three buttons. Just click uninstall and it should be uninstalled, and you will revert back to the built-in stock Microsoft antivirus protection. Now if that too doesn't work, the only other option left is to restart the computer in a clean boot. So to do that, we have to look for system configuration, click on services. Now an important step before you move forward is you need to check this box on the lower left hand side, hide all Microsoft services, before we proceed. So what would happen if we do not do this is, when we disable all the processes, we would also disable the Microsoft services, and when we restart the computer will fail to restart. So we disable only those processes third party, so that when the computer restarts again, these processes will not automatically activate on the restart. I hope this video solved your problem. If so, please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.